Hey! That was a really weird way to start this. Hello. Hi. Hi. If you're not watching my Vlogmas, you probably should. It'll be up here. Go check it out. So if you guys have been following this channel since the summertime, back in the summer I did this video called the Song Association Challenge, and basically if you guys follow Elle on YouTube, they do this with a bunch of different singers, like actual famous singers, like Ariana Grande did one. A ton of other singers have done them, and they give them 15 words, and they have 10 seconds to sing a song that had that word in it. So today I wanted to do a second video of this. I'll link my first one over here as well as down below if you want to check that out. And I know you guys really like my cover videos, so I figured, maybe instead of doing one Christmas cover, I would do a song challenge where I would sing 10 different Christmas songs. So that's what we're doing today. So let's go ahead and get this started. Tyler's going to be texting me the words. I think I literally just texted him and asked him to text me words, so we'll see how this goes. The first word is Eastbound, and I already know. I don't know a Christmas song that has, wait, was that the first word? That wasn't the first word. False alarm. Okay. Northern. Northern is the first word. There's gotta be a song that has something with the Northern Lights, but I got nothing. I feel like this is gonna go just as badly as the first time I did this, so I don't know why I decided to do this again. Bluebird. Oh shoot, I just started the timer, so I have more than 10 seconds, but... Oh, why do I do this to myself? Every time. Heart. Oh, I should have done last Christmas. I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. I was too late, but I wanted to sing that song anyway, so I did. Denim. The people that I always ask to give me these words don't make it easy. They really don't. If you guys know any songs with these lyrics in them, let me know in the comments. Christmas ones. These are Christmas songs. Let me know in the comments down below. Let me know if it's just maybe I'm just being dumbfounded, or are they really making this too hard? Coco. Maybe I'm just not in the right mindset for this right now. Snowflake. Here comes Susie Snowflake dressed in a snow white gown. Tap, tap, tapping on your window pane to tell you she's in town. Fun fact, I sang that on a float in a Christmas parade many years ago. I literally had to tell him to make it easier because I didn't want this video to be me literally not getting any of them. Goodies. Goodies. He would text me that. He would. Leave all the little goodies in his sleigh. What's that song? Lots of toys and goodies in his sleigh. I think I just got that one. I'm gonna give myself a point for that. Lots of toys and goodies in his sleigh, and every mother's child is gonna spy. Song. There's gotta be a song singing about Christmas songs. Cookie. I'm really bad at this. This is good training for thinking under pressure. Sunshine. See, I want to sing songs that aren't Christmas songs, ain't no sunshine when she's gone. But that's not a Christmas song. Dancing. Chocolate. I suck. Cozy. Party. Picture. I feel a strong sense of regret in making this video. I'm gonna be honest and saying that went terrible. Absolutely terrible. I apologize. So I'm just gonna go ahead and sing some Christmas songs because I want to, and nobody is here to stop me. So enjoy this next couple of seconds of me singing little snips of Christmas songs that I wish I could have found words in that Tyler sent me. Here we go. Santa, tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if you won't be here next year. Santa, tell me if you really care. And the baby slip a sable under the tree for me. I've been an awful good, I really can't stay, but baby it's cold outside. I've got to go away, but baby it's cold outside. Okay, I think that's enough. So if you guys enjoyed this video, which you probably didn't, let me know in the comments down below and give it a thumbs up. Also let me know if you'd like me to, also let me know if you do want me to do a Christmas cover because this video completely flopped. Let me know if you would ever want me to do a video like this ever again, because I'm terrible at it apparently, but I think it'd be fun if I did it with two different people. Like they kind of compete, like me and someone else like race to think of a song with the word in it. I don't know, I just feel like I want to incorporate more musical style videos into this channel because if you guys know me at all, you know that I have a music channel. Music is the career path that I am pursuing, you know, aside from YouTube and stuff. Like music is, I went to college for music, like music is the thing that I want to do with my life. So I want to incorporate more music stuff on this channel. I have a music channel, if you didn't know that. Check it out up here, as well as down there. It's there, check it out. Purple hair, Fallon Frazier, you can find me. And you can find me on any social media, just at Fallon Frazier. Always linked in the description box below. Find me on Instagram, maybe, if you want to. So it's up to you, you know, it's whatever you want to do. Let me know if you want more covers. I haven't done a YouTuber cover in a long time, so let me know. Let me know if you want to see one. If you don't, it's cool too. Just let me know. And with all that being said, I hope you guys are watching Vlogmas because I'm uploading every day on my vlog channel, like I already said in the beginning. So make sure to check that out, and I will see you guys next Tuesday, maybe even Friday. Who even knows? But I'm uploading every Tuesday right now. So I'll see you guys next Tuesday with a brand new video. Hopefully it's better than this one. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a DIY video. So stay tuned, and I'll see you guys then. Bye.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas time.